All right, I'm going to show you how to use content-aware fill to hide images or hide portions of an image. And the first thing I'm doing is I'm making a selection over everything that I want to hide and cover. So I'm gonna hold Shift, draw a big box around this stormtrooper. Let's get a little bit more. And see if I can't keep Boba Fett's hand. All right, and I can always clean this up more later. So I have my selection of the stuff I want hidden, which in this case is the IGN News logo, the Stormtrooper, and the gun. So then once I have my selection, I go to Edit, Content Aware Fill. So once again, you make your selection first, then you go to Edit, Content Aware Fill. And right now it's doing a really good job, but let's say that in my preview, I saw some marks that just kind of looked like helmet and armor because everything green on the left side is what Photoshop is allowed to sample. So I could remove anything that's dark, anything that's tree texture, anything that's the wrong color and texture. I don't want that green. I want it to just be sampling what's green. And so I'll even remove these blaster marks to make sure I don't get stray white dots added into my automatically generated, new layer of cover up. And that looks great in my preview. There's a little bit of weirdness around the gun, which I can fix later. But over here on the right, you can mess with the settings. Color adaptation can be useful. I'm going to output it to a new layer so that it's sitting in front of the original image rather than completely deleting the pixels. Then I hit OK. And I hit Command D to deselect original, and then this new one right in front, and it blends very seamlessly. But if it doesn't, one thing that you can do is you can kind of play with like the clone tool or smudging or copy pasting additional little sections to kind of create a smoother transition.